Hi everyone, I'm Grace from Leo Lighting. Today I will introduce our new product, IP Store 14412. It has 44 pieces tail power, RGBW 4-in-1 decant span.
Can be spliced. Can voice control.
If you like our new product, please comment up. Bye bye.